Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to make a spinning snake using a A4 sheet paper. So let's start the way. You need a A4 sheet paper, a compass. First you have to mark a circle on the paper. Inside a circle you have to mark another circle. This same process will continue till the last circle. Then you need a scissor. You have to cut the If your snake is too big, you can cut some part of the snake. This because when air is heated, it expands as its molecules spread out away from each other. In other words, hot air is less dense than cool air. This means that hot air will rise above cool air, and that's exactly what you are seeing with the spinning snake. As the hot air rises up, cooler air flows in to replace it, but then the cool air gets heated by the candle and the whole thing repeats. This cycle of air is called a convection current. Convection currents are also all around us. They cause wind, and all kind of weather and affect ocean temperature. I hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. If you have doubt, please write in the comment section.